So now when you're done setting up your landing page, the next step is to drive traffic to your landing page. And the very first step I would recommend to drive traffic to your landing page is by doing Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads are a very great way to meet a specific large number of audience, like audience that are really interested in what you're selling or what you're giving out there, and a particular number of them actually who would want to get exact product or exact service you're putting up there up on Facebook for ads. Yeah, so Facebook ads is the very number one way to do that. Depending on the online service you use to create your landing page, some online services allow you to install Facebook Pixel, so you will be able to track your ad progress and audience and traffic towards your landing page. So Facebook ad is number one way to drive traffic to your landing page. And the second way is by using WhatsApp TV. WhatsApp TV is actually some group of media persons, or just a single person handling a media via WhatsApp. They actually have access to a whole number of contacts, especially on WhatsApp. Giving WhatsApp TV a chance to place your advert up on their media is another great way for your ad to reach a large number of audience, as your ads get across numerous contacts up on WhatsApp, and contacts who are actually interested in what you do. So WhatsApp TV is another great opportunity for you to get large number of traffic to your landing page. So you could get the WhatsApp TV, pay them. Basically, WhatsApp TV charges as low as 500 naira and above to place your ad up on their media. So it's an affordable, and yeah, I would say not ideal though, but really you'd get traffic to your landing page as well. So that's actually cool. And the third way to get traffic to your landing page is by sharing your own link up on your social media and get your friends to share it up on their social media as well. Social media handles, get your influencer friends and other influencers as well doing influencer marketing or reputation marketing, and that's the way you could drive traffic to your landing page. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.